Alright, so welcome to step number 2 in our video of how to customize the website with our find and replace feature. Now, I assume you've already completed step number 1, which was getting organized, extracting. You have the website open. If for any reason you close the website, I'll show you how to reopen it real quick. So again, you just go to Site, you select Open Site, and you should now see that website in your list of websites here. Remember, I named my demo, so I'm going to click Open, and that's how we get the website open. So, alright, just want to make sure in case anybody had closed by accident. So here's what I want to do now is I want to show you a couple of features in the Microsoft Expression Web. The first one is this little button right here. It's called Preview. If you click on the little arrow here, you're going to see you can actually preview the website in different versions of web browsers. I use Chrome, and so what I'm going to do is click on that, and you're going to see, move it back over here so you can see it. This is the SunSpark Lab VBS website before it has been customized. Now the reason I want to show this to you is you can see here, see this word like right here, it says church name. You'll see church name here. You'll see it again here. So our find and replace procedure, what it does is it looks for specific keywords and then it replaces it with your church's information. So I'm going to minimize this, and what I do is I go right up here to Edit, and I'm going to click Replace. Okay. Now I'm going to move this over a little bit. Now if you remember, we have our getting organized file here. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to highlight. We're going to copy church name. We're going to go over here and put it in the find what box. Okay. And then I'm going to put in my church name, whatever you typed in, over here in the replace box. Okay. So you should have the replace tab. It should say find what, and it's looking for the keyword church name, and it is looking for Christ Church of Fountain Hills. Now, very, very important things that need to be checked off here. First of all, it says find where. We're going to find it in all pages. Okay. The other thing we want to do is match the case. And the last box we want to check is find in source code. So this is going to make sure that it finds that keyword every single place in the website. So again, just verifying what you're finding, what you're going to replace it with. You have selected all pages. You want to match the case, and you want to find in the source code. You're going to select replace all, and it's going to say you won't be able to undo this operation. Do you want to continue? You hit yes, and you'll get a little box down here, and it's searching right now looking for the replacements, and there it goes. You can see the progress here, and it gives you a summary. It says replaced 47 occurrences in 7 pages. Now we want to go back to our deal here, and you can see that's exactly what we are looking for, is 47 occurrences. So we want to make sure that just verifies that it was replaced everywhere it's supposed to be in the website. I'll tell you what, I'm going to move these side by side so I don't have to keep flipping back and forth. Let me move these files a little bit side by side so you can see this as I'm working on it. Okay. So we're just going to continue on now. Actually, let's take a look here and see if the website has actually changed. So I'm going to hit the preview button. Oh. And if you look right here, it put in my church's information right here. It put it in here. It's also here. Now see, it still has street address, city name, but again, we haven't replaced those yet. But you can see how this system works. When you go to student registration, again, you can see that it is beginning to put in your information into the website. Okay, so let's continue on with this procedure. So again, we're going to go to Edit, and we're going to go to Replace. This time, we're going to be looking for street address. So we're going to put that over here in the find what. Oops, not street address 12, just street address. And then over here, we're going to copy in the actual street address of our church. Hit paste. Again, we just want to verify all pages, match case, find in source. Hit replace all. Then select yes. You're going to see it down here. And again, you have the summary, replace 12 occurrences in 7 pages. And again, we see the 12 here, so that is perfect. It is working exactly the way it's supposed to. I'm going to do this just a few more times just so you can see this, but after that I'm just going to stop and you can continue on and do the rest of the find and replaces. Okay, so we're going to move on to the next one. Let's go to city name. We're going to copy that, paste it right in, and we're going to copy your city. For us, it's Fountain Hills. And again, all pages, match case, find in source, replace all. Yes. Again, you see the summary, 34 occurrences. Again, working exactly as it's supposed to do. I'm going to do 2 more, and then we'll end this video. And again, once you finish, you can move on to step number 3, the final step. So again, let's do replace. This time we're going to look for state name. And paste, match case, find in source, all pages, replace all. "26 occurrences, so we're good there. We'll do 1 more. Replace. We're going to look for zip code this time. Paste and hit replace all. Yes. Alright, so you can see 12 occurrences. So everything is working great. I'm going to click on this page so I can preview it again. So I'm going to hit preview and move it back over here so you can see it. But again, you can see that it's beginning to put in my information. So here we have the name, we have the street address, the cities, the state, the zip. So everything is beginning to go into the website. You can see it's down here on the contact us section. So it's beginning to populate throughout the entire website. So everything is working great. So just continue on with this find and place repeat procedure until you get to the very end. And then once you're done with that, you can go in and preview, make sure everything looks good. And then when you're done with that, we're going to move right on to video number 3, which is about just a few last final customization, a few last details that we have to do to get the website ready. And then you're done. So congratulations. When you get done with this find and replace feature, then move on to step number 3, video number 3. Thank you.